Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by deciding which job fits your schedule and goals. Pick a high-pay slot if you need money fast, or a skill-boosting job when improving charm or knowledge matters. Once decided, head to the job board locations, train station, Shibuya, or nearby shops, and apply immediately during an open day. Make sure to accept offers that align with your free time. This first step sets income and social link pacing, so prioritize slots that let you balance study, dungeon runs, and social stats growth. Once you have a job, balance working hours with mementos and palace runs. You should work enough to fund gear and study materials, but avoid losing key free evenings for confidant ranks. Make sure to use part-time work to raise specific stats, charm, knowledge, or guts, because those unlock new social events and job options. When done, spend earnings intelligently on books, classes, and accessories that compound progress. This middle phase is about steady growth and timing. Plan your weeks around deadlines and exam days. Complete the process by upgrading to better positions as soon as you meet requirements. Promotions increase pay and often grant bonus skill gains. If things go wrong, restore a recent manual save made before a key palace or week. Retime job applications to free critical evenings for progress. Make sure to use cheaper recovery items and clique with confidants to regain momentum quickly. Finally, reassess your calendar weekly. Prioritize skills that unlock desired content, and keep money flowing so you never miss a crucial opportunity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.